Soon after an outbreak of COVID-19 was declared in Poland, Marcin was called to deliver life-saving equipment to a local hospital. The problem was, he and his team couldn't enter the facility to do the necessary tests on the equipment. So this was their creative solution. Where are you based right now, and what job are you doing?
Just right now, I'm in hospital building. I'm doing big installation. I have to install 9 machines and also 15 cardio monitors. And all these things I have to connect to network at central station. So it's a big installation.
How has the COVID-19 pandemic affected Poland, Marcin?
I think that the most is for our job, yes. So because we have trouble to reach to the hospital, to enter to the building, yes, because we have to minimize contact with the personal hospital staff.
What is it like being literally on the front lines of COVID-19?
We are responsibility for good working of our equipment. So yes, our equipment helps patients with COVID-19, especially ventilators. So we are a big part of this system.
What's the relationship like with the clinicians and the doctors?
They all the time are contact with us. They are asking us about any solutions, how to connect the patients to the ventilators and other things every day. So yes, doctors and nurses are all the time with contact with me.
I believe you've been thinking out the box. You actually completed an installation process inside a bus.
The install bus, yes. And a few days before scheduled date, an epidemic was announced in our area. And meanwhile, we received also information that this hospital was transformed only for patients with COVID-19. So we were sure that the installation site will be at huge risk. So we came up with the idea to equip additionally our van to necessary gas sources, which are fundamentally to run and test it our device. Yes, so we put to the van oxygen cylinder and gas compressor. That's how it happened. Yeah, that's how it will happen. How we figure out this install bus.
And what's the most rewarding part of the job for you in this crisis?
For me personally, the most valuable thing during this epidemiological threat is deliver our products and servicing to our customer. But I'm not living alone. I have a girlfriend, so I must thinking about her safety, and that's why I also try to do everything in my work to secure my person, because I don't want to infect my girlfriend. Yes.
When are you going to get some sleep?
When? I don't have time for this. I'm trying to sleep a couple of hours. Last days are very busy for me, so I don't have much time for resting. But I still trying to be home and be a partner for my girlfriend. Yes.
Thanks, Marcin. Take care.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.